Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Cancer for April 6 to 12. So, kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung Sun, Moon at Rising mo, sa dulo ng video, may link para mapanood mo. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. At kung gusto mo nang mag-schedule ng private readings or spell works, message me. Face-to-face readings Monday to Friday at Omegulay in Session Road. So, to support us, click lang po ang join or yung thanks button sa taas, sa baba. Okay, so ano yung cards mo? We have here Cancer, we have here Mending and then Bleed, Poised and Chopped Wood, then Loyal Heart by the Book, and see Deep Knowing. And your deities are Pegasus and the Sun. Okay, so Cancer, ano bang hanash natin ngayon? Okay, so medyo kailangan makapalimukan na natin this coming week with the card of the Mending. Kasi alam mo yung sabi nila, healing is always there. Totoo naman, pero minsan kasi healing is not that proper time. Nakapanood, di ba may mga movies tayo napapanood na minsan kahit gaano kasugatan na yung lumalaban, hindi naman sila gumagawa, hindi naman sila humahanap agad ng healing para sa sarili nila. They push through. Hanggang itutuloy nila yon hanggang matapos nila yung laban. Then, saka sila maghahanap ng healing. At nabubuhay sila sa tatawag nating adrenaline rush. So, the cards are saying that this is not a time na medyo magpa-banjing-banjing. Hindi ito yung oras para magpabebe. Hindi rin ito yung oras para medyo hindi, yung parang wala lang. This is actually a time for you to stand up and continue the fight. Sabi nga the warrior is a child. So, ikaw yung warrior. Yeah, andoon na ang dami mong parang the pressure is all around you. Pero, yun nga yung nagpapalakas sa'yo, di ba? Yung sabi nga nung isang favorite pastor ko na si Pastor Manny, you always turn your scars into stars. And technically, yung part ng sugat natin, kung sa tayo nagkasugat, yun yung part na naghilom, eventually yung pinakamalakas. Now, this is a time for you. Eventually kasi, yun na naman, makakahinga ka rin with the card of Breathe. May mga moments of breather ka, kumbaga sa work, like meron ka namang moment na may break time ka. Pero this is not a time for you to fully rest. Yun yung gusto ipaalala sa'yo ng universe. This is not a time for you para masyado kang ma-down or andoon na mag-focus sa ibang bagay. Kumaga you're at the end of the tunnel, nakikita mo na yung liwanag, nakikita mo na yung results, nakikita mo na yung tinanim mo is nagsisimula na siyang ano yung tawag doon, yung basta yung lumabas sa lupa, yung may sibol na yun. So, unfortunately din, so with the number 48 si Poise, medyo kailangan din natin na huwag tayong maging conscious din. Although andun na parang gusto mo maganda yung postura mo most of the time, or andoon na maganda yung image mo sa ibang tao, medyo ilagay ka kasi sa situation na yung tinatawag nilang choosing the lesser evil. Yung pagpipilian mo, pareho hindi maganda, pero pipiliin mo yung may less damage. O yung gagawin mo nga, pipiliin mo yung part na kung saan yung ikaw yung mag-absorb ng damage eh. Sorry pero huwag mo siyang gagawin. Sinabi ng cards why. Kasi the people na pipiliin mo, i-sacrifice mo yung sarili mo para sa kanila, ang gusto ko ibalik na tanong sa'yo o ibigay na tanong sa'yo is gagawin din ba kaya nila yon para sa'yo? Are they willing to do the same things that you have done for them? Because as of now, with the chopped wood, hindi nila gagawin. So, medyo mamili ka ng mga tao na kanino ka mag-extend ng assistance mo. Be careful kung kanino ka din na mag-open up. So, take this as a warning naman. Now, with the chopped wood kasi, this is something sabi, ang original niyan Chinese proverb is chop wood, get water. Ibig sabihin, tuloy mo yung ginagawa mo. So, in the words of Ate Lady Gaga, you're on the right track. So, natama naman yung mga nagko-question sa inyo na tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko? Okay pa ba ako? Bakit kasi wala pang masyado nangyayari? Yeah, you're still on the track. Andoon lang na may nililinis lang along the way para sa iyo ang universe. Kasi ang pangit naman na bibigay sa iyo yung mga kailangan mo ibigay, ay ma-receive, tapos biglang may manghihingi ng ayuda sa iyo, parang hello. Para sa yun minsan pa naman lambot ng puso mo Pati kasi mo ng konti ha. Kasi it's for your own benefit. Ang iniiwasan natin is people will try to take advantage of you. Yun yung ayaw nating mangyari. At ayaw ng universe mangyari sa'yo. Now, yung last 3 cards mo dito, we have here is a loyal heart, by the book, and deep knowing. So, ano ba message nila? Time for you to settle down. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Time for you para magkaroon ka ng moment of, na i-consider mo na yung possibility of engaging in a serious connection. So, hindi ko ginamit yung term na romantic kasi serious lang. Kasi it could be a serious professional relationship, pero more like ito, more on a serious, serious romantic relationship. So, you need to open yourself to that kasi time na. Given na nasa Jupiter or you have your Jupiter in your house right now, in the 4th house, it's time for you to open up to the possibility. Although with the card of by the book, medyo andoon na you have your own standards, medyo parang ito yung target mo, ito yung dapat ganito yung nakikita mo or ganito yung experience mo, medyo basagi mo naman yon. Hindi ka Disney princess para mag-demand ng mga bagay na yun. Because with the card of deep knowing, remember that relationships always a give and take. Relationships is something na hindi naman na is an investment. Hindi lang yung ang tanong mo dito sa ano matatanggap mo. But more likely, it's ano yung pwede mo i-contribute. Hindi pwede yung ganda-gandahan lang. Ano ka? Ano ka, Disney princess? Hindi. The card wants you to understand you need to be realistic then. Besides doon sa ano yung ma-receive mo, is also what can you give and what can you do para mag-grow yung relationship na ibibigay sa'yo ng universe. Okay? Now, in the 80s na meron ka, we have here Pegasus and the card of the Sun. Ayun. So, with Pegasus kasi, andun na may mga ibibigay. So, let's see here. In about, siguro mga 9 in the next 2 months or 9 weeks, may mga tao na ibibigay sa yung universe who really needs your help. Kasi masyado ka nag-help before, di ba? O ngayon, bibigyan ka ng chance ng universe na magtanim ka sa mga tao na masabi natin na they really need the assistance that you need. Andoon na ibibigay sila kasi sila talaga yung mga deserving, hindi yung mga kung sino-sino lang na lumalapit sa'yo tapos you just allow yourself na, sige na nga, pwede na tulungan na kita, naawa ko sa'yo. Kasi nga, it's time na medyo hindi ka na ma-take advantage in terms of your emotion. And ang gusto ko dito, madami sa inyo matututo na magsabi ng no, back off, and paano maglagay ng boundaries. Kasi may moments na mapipiko na rin kayo at ito na yung time para enforce nyo yung na maprotektahan nyo yun yung inner peace. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. For private readings and spellworks, message me for face-to-face readings Friday to Sunday sa Oh My Gulay sa Session Road. To support us, click the join or the thanks button sa baba. So, Cancer, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you soon. Wala pa dito sa Diplomat Hotel in Baguio City. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.